Hello ladies, I decided to come back to you guys today to give you an update on this main concept unit that I reviewed not long ago. It is called Brown Sugar Skin Bond Lace 13x6 Pre-Cut. And this is her again. I'll link the video up at the top so that you guys can take a look at it. This wig is in the color F427, and 427 is a color that's been around a really long time, if you guys know. A lot of the wig companies really didn't have a variety of colors, and so 427, 430, 1B30 and stuff like that were the old colors that they used to do all the time. And this one is in the F427. This unit is a 13x6. And of course, you know that means it's 13 inches this way and 6 inches this way. When I reviewed this wig the last time, I actually put some tint on it. You guys may not be able to see, but I put some tint on it. And let me see if I can move my light around here so you can see my lighting better. Yeah, I put a tint on this wig because the lace was really light. And I tried to wash it off after I did it because the tint was really not doing it for me. It was a little bit darker than it needed to be. But after I washed it off and I put it back on, I thought it looked a little better, but it's still not quite my skin color yet. And I don't know. I don't really know anybody who has done any reviews, or not reviews, but videos on how to remove lace tint after they put it on. I would like to know how to do that because I've not done that yet, so I'm probably going to look that up. But this wig is still holding up really well. I like the color. I like the texture. I like the length of her. You know, she's a light yaki. I don't know if they say how long she is. I'd be willing to bet she's about 14 inches, 12 to 14 inches maybe. But I really like this unit and I like this color. And she lays down really well. I just wish that I hadn't tinted it as much as I did so that I had to take it off. But if you guys are interested in this one, it's still around. And yeah, I just wanted to come back and tell you that after I've been wearing it for a while, I really do like it. It's holding up well. And again, if you wear your wigs every single day, they're going to get ratty faster. I don't wear my wigs every day because I wear my gray hair sometimes as well. But every now and then I'm going to put on a unit. I'd say probably a couple times a week I'll put on a wig. And I've got several, so it's not like I just have this one. So I switch them up, and I don't wear the same one every time. So that's why I think mine lasts longer, because I still have Valentino, so you guys know. But yeah, this one is cute. This one looks natural. Again, she laid down nicely on both sides. Yep, except for over here. Yep, this one's coming up. Yep. It's coming up on this side, but you know, this side doesn't really matter because this bang is here. And that's something that you want to consider too when you're laying your wigs down. If it doesn't really lay down really well on the side that has a swoop bang, don't worry about it, because unless somebody does that to you, and if they're at that point that they're going to do that to you, then it doesn't matter anyway, because that wig is probably coming off. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I wanted to come back really quick and show you that. And also I wanted to tell you that I'm going to be coming to you in the next couple of weeks with 2 wigs that are not gray. I've got a burgundy wig coming that I want to show you. It's in a style that I don't think anyone has reviewed yet. And then I have another one that's coming in a color similar to this one, kind of a brownish reddish color. So I will be back to you guys in the next couple of weeks with that. And I'm still working on my books. You guys know that I write. I've got a series that I'm working on, and I'm going to be telling you guys more about it later because I think you might be interested in the topic. So anyway, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the flip side.